Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Step-by-step guide to renting a car with JoyRide. So here, today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to rent a car using an app called JoyRide. So here we are using JoyRide right now, and we're gonna rent a car. So how to do that? Just open the app, and then below taxi cab, next to bus, and left side to the more is the rent a car. Rent a car. So you see right there. Right here, all we need to do is press on that. After pressing on that, it will here, as you can see, the option, click on book rent a car. After clicking book or rent a car right here, as you can see, it will direct you to another page. You have to wait for it. Here at rent a car, you will see self-drive or self-drive car delivery, or you want a chauffeur driven. So self-drive, you will of course self-drive with car delivery. So which this means you will drive it, but it will be delivered to your location. And chauffeur driven, it means you have a driver. And here you'll pick the date. Let's say, for example, 27, and then 28, somewhere between like that. And here's the time, and also the time on the right side. And now we're gonna pick a car. It's sedan, SUV, van, MPV, or all types. We're gonna choose SUV. Then check availability. Now we're just gonna have to wait. I think it's a bit lagging on me. I'm gonna type in all types. Oh, I think mine's a little bit laggy, so we're just gonna restart it a bit. Oh, it lagged. So wait guys, we're just gonna restart it a bit. Now I think we're okay. Now we're just gonna put it back 27 and 28. Just gonna put in SUV, check availability. Oh, for some reason the app is a little bit lagging. So you see right now. Right. Maybe there's no available at that day. That's why it's not working. So let's check availability. There we go. Okay, so there must be no vehicles available that day. So here you go. As you can see, guys, we have the Yaris Cross. There you go. No coding day. Here we go. Model. Here are all the cars that are available. So once you pick one, let's say you pick one. Now, as you can see, please select the variant that you want. There you go. Now we're gonna click on that. Press on that. After pressing on that, we're gonna click on reserve this car. Then here we just need to log in or register. After we register, we just need to click on reserve. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer, guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.